Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. First of all guys, I think you need to clap for me, so let's start with that. Yay! Thank you. You know why? Thank you for clapping for me though. So the reason why I'm saying you need to clap for me is because I was able to shoot 2 videos in a day. Last week after I left my house, I went to meet a friend of mine. So this is me shooting twice in a day. So I'm back home after meeting with her, and there's so many things that happened. I was able to vlog there as well. But yeah, so which brings me to what I'm about to discuss with you. So one of the things that when the year started, I came up with the 6 pillars that are going to guide me throughout the year. And the 6 pillars were prayer, hard work, discipline, commitment, patience, and faith. And these 6 things I've really tried, like whenever I'm doing something and I'm just, you know, when you're sleeping a little bit, you try to wake up yourself. I slap myself and tell myself, no, what, Christine, you're supposed to be patient. You're supposed to, to work hard. Especially the patience part and the faith. It's been really, really hard when it comes to even dealing with clients. Sometimes you do some jobs and they don't get to pay you on time. So you just keep on telling yourself that, you know what, they're going to pay me at the end of the day. So it just becomes so hard. And this is just one example. Another thing that has become very, very hard is, like just having that faith that everything is gonna be fine, despite sometimes some clients say no to you because you're still new in the industry and they can't trust you with giving you the job. So it crushes me sometimes going for those pitches and I don't get the jobs. So yeah, when I went to meet with my friend earlier, we found ourselves somewhere in Westlands, and yeah, see what happened. Hello. So this is where we found ourselves at Soin Arcade in Westlands. Right now I'm going into Rapunzel Hair Affair. My friend is here to get her hair done, like haircut, and then I'm going in to get a tattoo. So let's do this. And the place is beautiful. Just look at how white it is. So peaceful. Look at that. See, it's just amazing. I mean, it's just looking so good. If you want like hair, for those who love wigs and weaves, this is the place you can come and get them from, by the way. It's very, very nice, and they have quality stuff, and I just love the way it's white. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. If there's something I've really wanted to do in my life is tattoos. So I've decided to tattoo something over here. It's my first time having a tattoo, so I don't know how it's gonna feel, but we're gonna do it together, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Yeah, and the reason I've never had a tattoo before is because I was really passionate about becoming a cabin crew, but that dream, I think, has been crushed somewhere, and now I'm going to do a tattoo now because I don't want to be a cabin crew anymore. And and I also do a lot of piercing because I really wanted to pierce my over here, my nose, my just so many things, but so many places. But now I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so let's start with this tattoo. No, I'm scared. I don't know how it's gonna be. So right now, let's just look at what's here before the guy comes, because I'm freaking out. I'm afraid. This is where I am. And yeah, for the longest time, this is what I've wanted, this one. That. Yeah, this, I'll get it one day. I don't want those ones. I can't see a bull ring. But today I'm here for this. So these guys do a lot of things. Hey, so we are going to start with the process, which is drawing them. How long will it take to heal?
It all depends with the skin. But we usually give clients like an oil to apply it. It makes the healing process much faster. So you're just going to apply it, and by let's say like 2 weeks, the tattoo will look really good. It will be healed.
Maneno unitoka bila mpango. Saa zingine ulimi hauoni ukweli wa moyo. Saa zingine naisa naropokwa maneno yanitoka juu ya penzi lako. Saa zingine wanichosha, nataka uondoke nenda zako. Saa zingine ninazama na uzito wa pendo lako. Saa zingine saa zingine kukosana ndio mwanzo wa kuelewana. Saa zingine sauti yako tu ndio yanitoa machungu. Sio saa zote nakupa msamaha. Tukiwa chini tuwe juu. Saa zingine naropokwa maneno yanitoka juu ya penzi lako. Saa zingine wanichosha, nataka uondoke nenda zako. Saa zingine ninazama na uzito wa pendo lako. Saa zingine naropokwa maneno yanitoka juu ya penzi lako. Saa zingine wanichosha, nataka uondoke nenda zako. Saa zingine ninazama.
Finally over, like I'm done. So, you know, it wasn't as painful as I thought it was going to be, but just a matter of wiping it and then it will be good. So I have my whatever, my pillars over here, which is a good thing. So let's see what's gonna be done now. Like imemalizika kabisa kabisa, so ni kuwipe tu. Yeah, so the cleaning is going to start just right now.
Saa zingine maneno unitoka bila mpango. Saa zingine ulimi hauoni ukweli wa moyo. Saa zingine naisare ikawa tukiwa juu sioni chini, tukiwa chini tuwe juu. Saa zingine naropokwa maneno yanitoka juu ya penzi lako. Saa zingine wanichosha, nataka uondoke.
Yay!
Saa zingine ninazama.
I wish I could just remove this part and then put it to Kumbele so that I can see it well. But yeah, I'm sure it's a good thing. So guys, I'll leave his details on my description box, and then you'll be able to just come and get tattooed if you want to. And then there's a lot that they do apart from just tattooing. Ooh. Nataka hiyo video nikutumie. Yay! So I was able to get my first tattoo. That's another clap. I was able to get tattoos over here. They're somewhere behind you, I think. Let me see if I can show you, but hey, it's still painful. Once I get healed, you'll definitely see them. And then what else? Yeah, so I didn't know. Actually, I was expecting it to be so painful, but it wasn't as painful as I thought. And yeah, I just conquered my fear of needles. You know, I used to be that kid who used to run away when doctor was coming home because I used to fear needles so much. And I don't know if it was only in our family whereby before the injectors, someone used to sit on our thighs. You lie flat and then someone sits on your thighs so that you don't move and you don't shake. Someone holds your head, someone is sitting on your thighs just to make sure that you're firm, you know. And I used to cry, like I used to cry so much. And this is me. I went to get these tattoos myself today, like, yeah. And I'm glad they are permanently now on my body, and I'll be able to just, you know, to remind myself these 6 pillars. I'm going to have them like for the rest of my life here. So on my way back, I googled a few facts about tattoos, and I'm gonna leave you with this. I'm only going to share with you 3 of them. Number 1 is urine was sometimes used to mix tattoo colors. I don't know if this was back in the days, but yeah, that color that they used to tattoo us. And then the second thing is the word tattoo is one of the most misspelled words in the English language. That people write tattoo like T-A-T-O, maybe, I don't know. Yeah. And then the last one is that women are twice as likely to get their tattoos removed than men. Yeah. So that's it for today. If there is a fear that you have, try and just conquer it this year. 2019, we're in July, and yeah, you still have some time to conquer your fears this year. So I did mine, so should you. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly press the red button. If you like this particular video, thumbs up. And until next time, kisses.